Welcome to the video on NFT creation using OpenSea. NFTs are a relatively new asset class with Quantum, the first NFT, hitting the scene in 2014. It has become the rage of the crypto token space. This video will walk you through the steps for creating an NFT using the OpenSea platform. Okay, let's get started. NFTs and the OpenSea NFT platform. There are two forms of cryptocurrency, coins and tokens. Coins operate on their own blockchain and are typically used to store value much like the US dollar. Coin developers are responsible for setting network standards, building the infrastructure, and maintaining their blockchain. Tokens do not operate on their own blockchain. Instead, they utilize the network standards and infrastructure of existing smart contract-enabled blockchains. Only those blockchains with smart contract capabilities can be used to create tokens. Thus, there is a parent-child relationship between coins and tokens. Tokens can be used for any number of things. It is up to the token developers to determine how the token will be used. A non-fungible token, NFT, is a special kind of token. It is a token carrying a unique identification code and metadata which collectively distinguishes one token from another. That is why these tokens are labeled non-fungible. They are crypto assets that can be owned. The details of this ownership is recorded in the blockchain. Like any other asset, ownership can be transferred to another, which makes NFTs tradable. The digital code of an NFT can contain references to digital files such as digitized artwork, photos, videos, and audio. While coins, fungible tokens, and NFTs are all assets, NFTs are uniquely identifiable assets. Coins and fungible tokens are not uniquely identifiable. Forbes writers Robin Conti and John Schmidt explain this non-fungible characteristic best in the article, What is an NFT? In the article, the authors state the following. Physical money and cryptocurrencies are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. They're also equal in value. $1 is always equal to another dollar. One Bitcoin is always equal to another Bitcoin. Crypto's fungibility makes it a trusted means of conducting transactions on the blockchain. Each has a digital signature that makes it impossible for NFTs to be exchanged for or equal to one another, hence, non-fungible. The article is a recommended read. You will find the link in the description below along with the link to the blog article that accompanies this video. Earlier I mentioned that an NFT's metadata helps to make it a unique token. Let's talk a little about metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is data about data. The metadata helps to distinguish one token from the other. It builds rarity in an NFT. Rarity helps to drive the value of the NFT. Now let's talk a bit about the process for creating and minting an NFT on the OpenSea NFT Marketplace. OpenSea allows creators to make NFTs without any upfront gas cost. They call it lazy minting. It is an OpenSea feature that utilizes the blockchain network for the on-chain issuance of your NFT under the umbrella of the OpenSea smart contract. When you want to list your NFT for sale, OpenSea will charge a small publishing fee which you will pay using your crypto wallet. However, the NFT that you have created is not yet on-chain. That is, it is not yet on the blockchain. According to OpenSea, it is not until the first purchase or transfer is made that your NFT is transferred on-chain. It is then that your NFT is actually minted to the blockchain. When you create an NFT using OpenSea, it will be visible on other platforms only after the minting. All this talk about OpenSea. What exactly is OpenSea? OpenSea is an NFT marketplace. Founded in 2017, it is where artists and NFT holders go to create and trade their digital assets either through an auction or using a fixed sale price. The company currently reports having more than 2 million collections, over 80 million NFTs, and a sales volume of $20 billion USD. If you browse the OpenSea website, you will find notorious NFT collections like CryptoPunk and Bored Ape Yacht Club. Visit the OpenSea website to browse NFTs or begin creating your own NFT collection. Tune in for part 2 of this video. We will go through the steps of creating a collection. Part 3 will cover creating the NFT item. See you in the next video.